Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Microsoft Excel series that is running into my channel. You can check the playlist in my channel and also check the description box after the video ends. There I will give you the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video for your easy reference. So today we are going to learn another trick combined with COUNTIF formula that will show us the result, that how many of the cells are containing the negative values. So this is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Watch this video till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notifications from my channel. So at first I am going to run the Microsoft Excel software, and for your easy reference I am going to run the OSK, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. I have created a file previously, so let's open that file, friends. Here it is. To count the number of cells that contain negative numbers in a range of cells, you can easily use the COUNTIF function. In this generic form of the formula, the range represents a range of cells that contains various types of numbers that can be positive or negative. So we are going to find the negative values containing cells. So we just have to simply type the formula here like this, equals to COUNTIF, then open the first bracket, then give the range here. In my case the range is from B4 to B10. B4 to B10. You can look here, that is the selected range, then put a comma here. Now the trick applies here. Here it is asking for the criteria, and for negative numbers you have to put the criteria into a double quotation like this, open a double inverted comma, then the criteria will be for negative numbers lesser than 0. You can easily understand lesser than 0 means the negative numbers. Here close the double inverted comma and then close the bracket, then simply hit the enter here. Now you will get the result 2. In my case the negative numbers in this range is 1 and 2. So let's check if it actually get the accurate result. I am changing the data here. I am putting -3 here. Look at here, friends, it changed. So let's see how this formula actually works. COUNTIF counts the number of cells in a range that match the supplied criteria. In this case the criteria supplied as lesser than 0, which is evaluated as values less than 0. The total count of all cells in the range that meet this criteria is returned by the function. You can easily adjust this formula to count cells based on any other criteria. For example, here to count all cells with a value less than 10 or minus 10, you can easily use like this. Here put this formula like this, minus 10, then simply hit the enter. So there is no value that are less than minus 10, so it shows the result of 0. You can also use a value in another cell as part of the criteria. Use the ampersand character to concatenate. I am showing you this. Simply type the formula like this. If you suppose you have the criteria in H4 cell, I am giving the criteria like this, minus 2. So now the criteria is minus 2. Now you have to write the formula like this. The range will be same, COUNTIF, then bracket, then range. Then in criteria you have to at first open the double quotation. Here give the lesser than symbol, close the double quotation. Here put the ampersand symbol, this one, and then include the cell number of the reference criteria. In my case that is H4. It has been selected. Now put the bracket close and simply hit the enter. Look at here friends, it has been given the result including the criteria. If the value in cell H4 is minus 5, the criteria will be lesser than minus 5 after concatenation. So that's all for today friends. See you soon guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends, give a thumbs up and share your opinion in the comment box. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel and stay tuned.